Hi, this is Tarek, and today I'm going to show you how to create new meeting roles. In our club this year, we want to introduce two new meeting roles, and I just want to create them and show you how easy it is using EasySpeak. So first of all, you go into your EasySpeak website, choose the club, and our first meeting is the 21st of August. And as you can see, this is the agenda and the different meeting roles. What I want to do is go into Club Control Panel that you find on the website. And here at the left side, you can see different options you have to manage your club. And meeting roles is what we want. And as you can see here, we have a lot of different roles that we can assign and create in our meetings. But I want to introduce two new roles in our club, and one of them is the Jokemaster, is JM, and if we have an explanation side or about the role, you can link to it here using that URL. Here you can also include some informations like it's assignable. Will this role be assignable to a person? Yes. Show, do you want this role to show to display on the participant chart? Yes. It's fillable, meaning that members can volunteer online for this role. It's not repeat. We will hide the repeat. This role is not in competitions. Hide it from public. No, it's not a speaker, and no evaluators, and no restrictions on, and it's not a major role that requires a lot of significant preparation. So we save it and we go back to the role index, and you can see now we created a new role called Jokemaster. And this role is going to be a role that tells a joke of the day just in the beginning of the meeting before anybody gets on the stage, just to create an exciting and funny mood and environment before we start the meeting, to get that positive energy up before we even start a meeting. So that's what we're going to try this year. We also want to introduce another role, and it's called the Snackmaster. And the Snackmaster will be, and it has the same things: no repeat, hide repeat, it's not competition, no, 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 and yes. And the Snackmaster is the person that will be able, that will have the responsibility of bringing snacks to our meetings, because our meetings are from 6 to 8, and sometimes people come directly from work, they're tired, maybe a little bit hungry, so having some snacks that we can enjoy in the break and network and enjoy each other's company is a good thing. So but now I will just save, and now we have the two roles down here, Jokemaster and Snackmaster. We can now go back to the front page of our club. We go to the first meeting, 21st of August, either there or here, by choosing meeting 21st of August. And then you go back. Now you're back at the meeting, and you can push this button called agenda, and you can edit the agenda, adding different agenda roles, meeting roles. And we're going to push this button here, and before the president comes up, we want the joke of the day, and that should be the joke master, of course. And now you can see the joke master is here, and we have snack master in the list of all the roles that you can create in a meeting. And it has 2 minutes, and we want it to show on the agenda. And as you can see, Jokemaster is the first one that get ups, and you will be telling the joke of the day. As I mentioned, we also want to create another role, and that is the snack master. And of course, that person will be snacks. It's the snack master role, it's not time limited because it will be in the break. The snack master will bring out the snacks and put them on the table, and that's it. So now we created two different roles, snack master and joke master. If we go back to the meeting agenda, you will see the two new roles appearing here. And if you remember, I mentioned that you can put in description URL, and if you do that, the role will have a link to it. And when you push that link, there will be an explanation of the role and responsibilities. But we don't have that for these two roles. So as you can see, the appearance is without a link. But if you create it, it will be with a link. Now you can assign members to it. I will be the first one to demonstrate the Jokemaster role at our first meeting. And we have Bart, that will be the snack master of the first meeting. Now I can save. I can, for myself, accept the role and now send the third email. And now people have been informed about the meeting, about their roles, and hopefully we will get some people to take on these roles in the future, and hopefully this will create a better environment, a more engaging, more fun environment in our Toastmaster Club, and that way we'll have new potential guests and members. So this is a quick showdown of how to add new meeting roles. Have fun with it. If you have any questions, please contact me. I'm the president of the Copenhagen Toastmasters Club for this term. I'm very honored about it. And I will see you at the Toastmaster meetings. Have a nice day. Bye.